Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear cache on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Storage, click Temporary Files. Click Remove Files. Second step is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %temp%, click OK. Click View, click Show Hidden Items. Delete all files and folders. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Temp. Delete all files and folders. Fourth steps is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Prefetch. Delete all files and folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.